So after making your website, you have done your perfect making your website. You're done by total SEO on page. How to start index your website for search engine purpose? So my website is perfect, 100% ready. So how we can start the indexing my process? That is called, first of all, what are the pages you done by on page? You can start the promotion for the finish SEO on page for indexing for where search engine purpose. When copy this URL, people can understand URLs. Only how many URL can understand? Only for 3 URL can understand. I can promote the more URLs when I'm searching for my website. How to index? Every website, first of all, you can check the total on page. First of all, home page. How you can index? Go to webmaster. The option name is called URL inspection. URL inspection. Copy, enter. Every URL you have to check. Option name is URL inspection. Is nothing but search engine indexing purpose. Which one? Search engine indexing purpose. What is showing here? URL is on Google. If it is not there, suppose it is not there, suppose we can resubmit. And URL inspection, when you can do that second time, when you're changing for SEO title and description. My home page, after 1 year, I'm changing for URL, title and description, I'm changing SEO. Can update our where? Webmaster. The option name is called URL inspection. Definite interview question. URL inspection purpose. Search engine can understanding my website URL, first step. When updating SEO title and description, search engine can understand purpose. 2 times you can submit. When you're changing website, title and description time, and when your website designed by first time. So I design my website and I am submitted by the URL inspection. After 1 year, I'm changing title and description. Can you understand search engine? Why I'm changing title description? So how do you can understand it? Pick up the keyword URL inspection. It's a compulsory. So requesting index. What are the options are there you can use and promote by the options. These all before start the off page we have to implement by this all tasks are very important. Off page a small task is not done. First we have to prepare the on page. After you can go for off page. We're taking for 1 minute to 2 minutes time. So clear? What the option called is request index after text live URL. Anything mobile friendly issues, everything you can find out by the Google search console option. Wait for indexing. Submission done. Okay. And text live URL. What is the purpose of URL inspection? Search engine can crawl your URL based on your title and description. And some people asking question, sir, I'm not finishing title description. Can I do the URL inspection? What the use? I'm not finishing title description. How to crawl the search engine on your website? So after finishing title description, you can submit by the Google Search Console. The option name is called URL inspection. Taking time for 1 minute to 2 minutes. So if you are submitting them any getting URL, just to intimate by mobile usable issues, we can send to the developer. They fix the issues. Is it clear? Your inspection purpose, what are the submission will be done? Any issues they give by your notification. Same like you can submit by n number of URLs. So select the URLs and submit by where? URL inspection. Is it clear? One URL we can submit only for one time. If when you're changing title and description, once again we can resubmit it. But XML sitemap, when your page modification and pages will be added, we can do regular task. So today your page modification done. Immediately you can do by sitemap, used by URL, option by Google Search Console. So these all we can maintain by the using Google Search Console.